Here is how to sign up on Manyvids. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on the Manyvids platform. So let's start. First of all, go to the website of Manyvids, which is manyvids.com. Then after, you'll come to a page like this. Then at the top of your screen, you'll find the options called join free and then sign in. Since we are trying to create a new account, tap on join free. After that, you have to enter your username and then email address and create a new password. As you enter those details, verify that you are over the age of 18. Then after, tap on join now. Other than that, you can also sign up using your Google account. So simply tap on this option called continue as a member with Google. After that, select the Google account that you want to use while creating your account. Then tap on continue. As you do that, you might have to enter a couple of details. Then after, your account will be successfully created. So in this way, you can easily sign up on Manyvids. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.